What if animals kept evolving in bizarre and powerful ways? Celestial lion, a lion whose radiant mane blinds enemies and unleashes cosmic roars to assert dominance. Echo wolf, a wolf with sonic howls that shatter objects and disorient foes with powerful shockwaves. Thunder eagle, an eagle that generates lightning with each wing beat, striking with pinpoint accuracy. Abyssal shark, a shark that controls abyssal darkness, vanishing before launching a devastating attack. Phantom tiger, a spectral tiger that phases through matter, stalking prey from the shadows. Neon kraken, a bioluminescent kraken that hypnotizes prey with glowing tentacles before striking.